How to log in Amazon account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and today I'll be showing you how to sign in or log in into your Amazon account. So watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's get started. Launch any web browser on your device. Click search bar and type in amazon.com and press enter on your keyboard. After a while, you will land on the official interface of Amazon account. After that, you will simply need to click on Sign in Accounts and List at top right corner of your screen. And after that, you will land on the Sign in section of Amazon, where you need to enter your email or mobile number and click on Continue button. If you don't have an account on Amazon, you simply need to click on Create your Amazon account button and create a new one. So let's enter the credential. Then you simply need to enter your password, and after you have entered all your correct credentials, you need to click on login button and you will successfully log into your account. If you wish to switch accounts, you can easily click switch accounts or simply sign out if you wish to. So in this particular way, you can successfully sign in or log into your Amazon account. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.